The owner of a drugstore arrives at work to find a man leaning heavily against the wall. The owner asks his clerk, "What's up?" The clerk explains, "He wanted something for his cough, but I couldn't find the cough syrup. So I gave him a laxative and told him to take it all at once." The owner shouts loudly, "Laxatives won't cure a cough, you idiot." The clerk says, "Sure it will," pointing at the man leaning on the wall. "Look at him. He's far too scared to cough."